This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 9 part 4. In this series we will cover maximum MCQs of Pakistan Affair, so stay tuned with this channel so you can cover maximum syllabus at one place. In this video we will cover about MCQs from 121 to 160 in part 4. So let's start. What the scheme was about, options are culture, Sikh, Muslims, education. So the correct option here is education. What the scheme was about, education. Bande Mataram was a, options are song, anthem, poetry, drama. So the correct option here is anthem. Bande Mataram was an anthem. Now or Never pamphlet was written in, options are 1934, 1933, 1932, 1931. So the correct option here is 1933. Now or Never pamphlet was Now or Never pamphlet was written in 1933. Day of Deliverance was observed on, options are December 22, 1939, December 23, 1939, December 24, 1939, December 25, 1939. So the correct option here is December 22, 1939. Outline of the scheme of Indian Federation was authored by, options are Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Muhammad Ali Johar, Nehru, Gandhi. So the correct option here is Muhammad Ali Johar. Outline of the scheme of Indian Federation was authored by Muhammad Ali Johar. 2 Muslim members were also selected for the Nehru Committee. One was Sir Ali Imam. Name of the second Muslim member was, options are Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Dr. Iqbal, Shoaib Qureshi, Nehru. So the correct option here is Shoaib Qureshi. Jinnah's 14 points were presented in, options are 1930, 1929, 1928, 1927. So the correct option here is 1929. Jinnah's 14 points were presented in 1929. Simon Commission was appointed by British government towards the end of, options are 1926, 1927, 1928, 1929. So the correct option here is 1927. Simon Commission was appointed by British government towards the end of 1927. Allama Iqbal delivered his address at Allahabad in, options are 1930, 1931, 1932, 1933. So the correct option here is 1930. Allama Iqbal delivered his address at Allahabad in 1930. The first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan was formed in, options are 1949, 1948, 1947, 1946. So the correct option here is 1947. The first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan was formed in 1947. Who started Home Rule Movement? Options are Mr. Gandhi, Mrs. N.A. Besant, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Nehru. So the correct option here is Mrs. N.A. Besant. Home Rule Movement was started by Mrs. N.A. Besant. The transfer of capital from Calcutta to Delhi was announced by British government on, options are December 12, 1911, December 10, 1911, December 8, 1911, December 6, 1911. So the correct option here is December 12, 1911. The transfer of capital from Calcutta to Delhi was announced by British government on December 12, 1911. Marquis was a, options are Secretary of State for Pakistan, Secretary of State for UK, Secretary of State for India, Secretary of State for USA. So the correct option here is Secretary of State for India. Majlis-e-Khilafat was founded in, options are 1917, 1918, 1919, 1920. So the correct option here is 1919. Majlis-e-Khilafat was founded in 1919. The institution of the Khilafat was abolished on, options are 1922, 1924, 1926, 1928. So the correct option here is 1928. The institution of Khilafat was abolished on 1924. Which assembly passed One Unit Act? Options are First Constitutional Assembly, Second Constitutional Assembly, Third Constitutional Assembly, and Fourth Constitutional Assembly. So the correct option here is Second Constitutional Assembly. Who founded Anjumane Khadame Kaaba in 1913? Options are Abdul Bari Frangi, Dr. Zakir, Nehru, Patel. So the correct option here is Abdul Bari Frangi. Anjumane Khadame Kaaba in 1913 was founded by Abdul Bari Frangi. A Muslim delegation visited Europe in 1919. Who was British Prime Minister? Options are Lloyd Irwin, Lloyd George, Lord Nazir, Lord Wavell. So the correct option here is Lloyd George. Which movement was started in India with the cooperation of Hindu and Muslims? Options are Quit India, Save India, Khilafat, none of them. So the correct option here is Khilafat. Khilafat movement was started in India with the cooperation of Hindus and Muslims. When few Muslims religious scholars gave verdict that India was a Darul Harb? Options are 1920, 1921, 1922, 1923. So the correct option here is 1922. 1920. In 1920, few Muslim religious scholars gave verdict that India was a Darul Harb. 1920 is the right option. Civil disobedience movement was started in. Options are 1919, 1921, 1923, 1925. So the correct option here is 1921. Civil disobedience movement was started in 1921. Diarchy system means the system of government. Options are dual system, single system, parliamentary system, none of these. So the correct option here is dual system. Diarchy system means the system of government which is dual system. Quaid-e-Azam resigned from the Congress on. Options are April 11, 1920, April 13, 1920, April 15, 1920, April 17, 1920. So the correct option here is April 13, 1920. Quaid-e-Azam gave his 14 points in a meeting held in. Options are options are Karachi, Delhi, Lahore, Calcutta. So the correct option here is Delhi. Which report was rejected by the Muslim League in 1928? Options are Nehru, Patel, Congress, UK. So the correct option is Nehru. Nehru report was rejected by Muslim League in 1928. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in. Options are 1930, 1931, 1932, 1933. So the correct option here is 1931. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in 1931. Pune Pact was signed in. Options are 1931, 1932, 1933, 1934. So the correct option here is 1932. Pune Pact was signed in 1932. Simon Commission came to India in. Options are 1927, 1928, 1929, 1930. So the correct option here is 1928. Simon Commission came to India in 1928. Under Gandhi-Irwin Pact, Congress called off the agitation and agreed to participate in. Options are First Roundtable Conference, Second Roundtable Conference, Third Roundtable Conference, Fourth Roundtable Conference. So the correct option here is Second Roundtable Conference. Under Gandhi-Irwin Pact, Congress called off the agitation and agreed to participate in Second Roundtable Conference. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar died in. Options are 1930, 1931, 1932, 1933. So the correct option here is 1931. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar died in 1931. Now another pamphlet was issued by. Options are Chaudhry Nisar Ali, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Chaudhry Ali Ahmad, Chaudhry Shuja. So the correct option is Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Now another pamphlet was issued by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Word Pakistan is related to options are Chaudhry Nasir Ali, Chaudhry Nisar Ali, Chaudhry Shujat, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Chaudhry Ali Ahmad. So the correct option here is Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. The word Pakistan is coined by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Under Government of India Act 1935, elections were held in options are 1935 to 36, 1936 to 37, 1934 to 35, 1935 to 37. So the correct option here is 1936 to 37. Under Government of India Act 1935, elections were held in 1936 to 1937. Second is the right option here. Congress formed ministries in options are 1935, 1937, 1938, 1939. So the correct option here is 1937. Congress formed ministries in 1937. Guys, there are a lot of MCQs which asking about date and years. So I would suggest you to watch this video twice so you can memorize all the MCQs very clearly and for a long term. So it will be beneficial for you. I hope you understand this. World War II started in options are September 1935, September 1936, September 1937, September 1939. So the correct option here is September 1939. World War II started in September 1939. World War II ended in options are 1947, 1945, 1943, 1941. So the correct option is 1945. Who was the Prime Minister of United Kingdom at the time of Second World War? Options are Cameron, Winston Churchill, Tony Blair, George Washington Bush. So the correct option here is Winston Churchill. Lord Wavell was replaced by options are Lord Nazir, Lord Elgin, Lord Mountbatten, Lord Dalhousie. So the correct option here is Lord Mountbatten. The only Indian Viceroy Lord Mountbatten's staff was options are VP Dhamal, VP Menon, Lord Nazir, none of them. So the correct option here is VP Menon. Who wanted to become Joint Governor General of Pakistan and India? Options are Lord Cameron, Lord Mountbatten, Lord Nazir, Lord Dalhousie. So the correct option here is Lord Mountbatten, who wanted to be a Joint Governor General of Pakistan and India. So these are the 5 questions to test yourself. So pause the video and just solve these questions and share your marks in the comment section. Thank you so much.